first day of 14 Draws to Riches.
Look at all these tickets. Ooh. Our first draw today, $100.
So hopefully we can start off our fundraiser super good. So, okay, nice.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, ready? Drum roll.
Our first winner is Kei Kazama.
Kei Kazama! That must be a relative of the Kazamas. Congrats!
Congratulations.
Under $100 prize win.
Excellent. What do we have tomorrow, guys?
Tomorrow we will be playing another $100
Prize.
but her name goes back into
The bin.
Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow for day 2.